Faceless YouTube channels like the Analyst, the Paid Explainer, and the Evaluator have gone viral so quickly. Even though they are just simple explanation channels, the secret to their success is choosing interesting topics and explaining them in a new, engaging way. We all know how quickly something new can grab people's attention and go viral. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily create such channels using completely free tools. So let's get started. So if we first analyze these channels, we find that they started the video directly to the point, meaning there's no introduction at all. And the second point is that they mostly use 2D animation and text in their videos. But if you are facing difficulty analyzing a channel, we can also have AI to do it for us. So today I'm using Bing. So for example, if I want to get this channel analyzed, I will simply copy its link and give Bing to this prompt. Please analyze this channel, then paste the link. So as you can see, it quickly analyzes the channel for us, telling us what kind of animation it uses and what types of topics it covers in its video. So in this way, you can easily get ideas and analyze any channel with ease. And the third point we notice is that their background is usually white. So now after this, we can ask Bing, tell me topics similar to this channel. So as you can see, Copilot has provided us with ideas similar to this channel. So this way, we can explore similar topics easily. For example, it says, Big thinks this channel features topics both discussing big ideas and important 21st century's issues. Like science topics, like physics topics can also be covered, meaning that in such channels, you can cover any topic. This niche is so large that you will never run out of topics. So right now, I'm asking to write a script about the months. So to write the script, I'll use GPT. So I'll give GPT this prompt. Write a script on the months without any introduction. The script should be very to the point and straightforward. So you can see that GPT has provided it with a script. If you like it, that's great. Otherwise, you can also edit it. And now I'll ask GPT about the animation styles for each scene. So in such channels, 2D animation is used, but I'll use a stickman instead of 2D animation. So that's why I'll give GPT this prompt. Suggest detailed animations for each scene of the script. I want to use stickman and icons for the animation. So as you can see, GPT has provided us with a stickman and icon animations for each month based on the script, which will make the animation easier for us. So now to collect the stickman and icons, I'll use the website FreePic. Now after coming to this website, I'll search for stickman in the search box. So as you can see, we have many options available here. Like we can use these in our animation. There are many action and expressions available as well. So one by one, I'll check the animation style suggested by GPT and download the stickman and icons accordingly. Like for animating the January scene, we first need a stickman dressed in a sweater. So I'll go to FreePic and search for stickman winter. Here you can see images of a stickman dressed for winter. So I'll remove the background and download it. And next I need a shivering stickman, and you can see it's also available in this image. So I downloaded images based on my script and the suggestions from GPT. So you can see that in one image we can many expressions and actions, which makes it very easy for us. We don't need any 2D animation. Additionally, if you need icons, they're also easily available here. For example, if I search for motivational, you can see in the filters that icons are also available. So if we check on the icons, you can see that many icons are available. And we can see 3 types of icons: static, animated, and stickers, which look great in our video animations and make things easier. So you have seen that I've collected all the materials from just one website. And now the next step, we need a voiceover. So you can use your own voice, but I'm using AI voice. And for AI voice, I'm using 11 Labs. So we'll simply go to the 11 Labs website and click on Get Started Free. We'll paste our script in the speech box, select our voice. I'm selecting Brian's voice and click on Generate Speech. So we have collected all the images from one website and we have generated a voiceover from the other website. So far, this has been very easy. And next, we'll simply go to the editing tool and now we'll start editing. So you can use any editing tool. I'm using today Filmora. First, we'll import all our images in the voiceover and we'll start by setting the voiceover on the timeline. We'll create the animation according to the voice. As we have seen in this type of video, they use a white background. So we'll simply go to the stock media and choose the white color to set it as the background. And now in such videos, we have seen that all the topics they cover are aligned in the first image. And one by one, they zoom in to cover the title of each topic. So I've taken this image where you can see there are titles for 8 topics, but I have 12 months. So I'll first set this image and then I'll bring the same image back to the timeline and keep as many images as I need for the remaining topics and cropping the rest. For example, if I need 4 more topics, I'll take 4 images from here and crop the others. Now we'll set this up, and after setting it, we need to write the titles for the topic. Since my topics are simply the months, so I'll write the names of the months one by one. So you can see that I've written the names of the 12th month, and now we need to convert the text and these 2 images into a single clip, so that's easier for us to pan and zoom. So to do this, we'll select all these elements, right click and convert them into a compound clip. And now we'll listen to our voiceover, and wherever it says January, we'll use keyframes to pan and zoom until that point. Then after we need to where the next dialogue starts, we'll cut it. In videos like this, I've seen that the title of the topic being covered is usually shown at the top. So first we'll write the title of January, we'll go to the title section, type January and then start our animation. So now in this dialogue, the script is talking about Happy New Year, so I'll take this image and add the text Happy New Year to it. Additionally, I'll set these 2 images here and arrange the arrows according to the voiceover. It will look something like this.
The year begins with a crisp, refreshing start.
And now that the dialogue is ending here, we'll select all the elements and cut them. And then we'll move on to the next scene. Well, how did I change the white arrow to black while cropping things from an image? These are basic things, but if you don't understand this, you can leave a comment and we can make a video about it to explain the basic rules of editing. So now in the next scene, the script is talking about the weather in January, which is quite cold. So I'll set these 2 images here and also add this sticker by going to the sticker section. You can easily download such stickers from the Freepik website. And in the next scene, the script mentions sweaters and hot beverages. So I have set this image along with some images of beverages and add some light effects. This is very easy editing, there's nothing difficult about it. I have 2 more scenes left to complete quickly and then I'll show you the final result. So my video is ready, I'll simply export it and then I'll show you the final result.
January. The year begins with a crisp, refreshing start. Icy winds swirl through the streets, while cozy sweaters and warm beverages become daily comforts. New Year's resolutions are in full swing, bringing a sense of renewal and motivation. It's the perfect time to set goals and embrace the endless possibilities that come with new beginnings.
So you have seen that I have only covered 1 month so far. When you cover the entire video, you include all your topics and prepare the full video in the same way. My aim was to give you an idea of how to create such videos. And you can see that it is very simple. The animation is not as hard as it seems. It doesn't take as much time to create such videos. Thanks to GPT, we also get a lot of help. If you follow its suggested ideas, it becomes much easier for us. So if you like this video, please make sure to like it. In the next video, we'll explore some new AI tools and their advanced features that can make your Faceless channel even more successful. Until then, take care of yourself and keep your creative ideas alive.